तुम्ही हांव
कालूय मेळ्ळा आजी मेळ्ळा
ओके आनी तुमचें डिस्कशन कितें जालां सर
See, definitely organizational matters. The way forward is to dislodge this corrupt BJP government. A lot of distractions, a lot of things will happen. Our focus has been always for 4 years exposing this BJP government's corruption. जे संकल्प पत्रान जे बरयल्लें मॅनिफेस्टोन जे लोकांक सांगलेलें आनी आज जी परिस्थिती निर्माण गोंयांत जालेली आसा खास करून द फेलियर इन लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन क्रायम्स मर्डर्स रेप्स द वे गोवा इज फॉर सेल लँड इज फॉर सेल and we have explained to our GSO that the first signature of the government would be that we would scrap these disastrous sections, take it back to the people, let people decide what is required with regards to planning. खास करून गोंयची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी ही डिफायन जावपाक जाय द वे एनवायरमेंट इज बींग डॅमेज द वे today Goa is being projected as a murder capital, as a rape capital, as a drug capital. So all these things, unemployment was also something discussed, 8.3%. These are factors and basically की एक आमचे मध्ये म्हाका दिसता खूब आमकां काँग्रेस पक्षाक जेन्ना आमी एक कन्सेप्ट काँग्रेस मांड म्हणून आमी इंट्रोड्यूस केलेलो आहा ऑलमोस्ट 6-7 meetings we have had across the state, all the 40 constituencies we are going to have meetings, a lot of joinings, people entering in, they understand that काँग्रेसा भायर पर्याय ना. आज जे गोंय राखण यात्रा म्हणून आमी जे 22 सप्टेंबराक सुरवात करपाची आसा I discussed about the yatra as well, what are the issues, how are we going to go about it. And our GSO had a patient hearing. The way forward is that 27 Congress has 27 seat.